In this video, we're diving into how to set up a professional email address using IONOS with your own custom domain. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build your first website and create supporting services that you need. So by the end of this video, you'll understand why a custom email matters, how to purchase or use a domain through IONOS, how to create mailbox accounts, and how to access your email via webmail or desktop clients. You'll also learn how to configure DNS records if your domain is registered elsewhere. Why choose IONOS for your email? IONOS, formerly known as 1&1, offers reliable email hosting with professional features at an affordable price. Their email packages often include one or more domains, ample storage, virus and spam protection, and easy setup through a web interface. Now, unlike free services that display ads or limit your control, IONOS gives you full management over your email addresses, forwarding, and aliases. You can create multiple mailboxes for different departments or team members and manage them all from one dashboard. Using an email address like contact@yourdomain.com not only appears professional, but it also builds trust with clients and customers. It reinforces your brand and it ensures that communications are associated with your business, not an unrelated provider. Step by step, preparing your domain and email plan. Step 1, choose or register a domain. Now, if you already own a domain registered with IONOS, you're all set to go. If not, you'll need to register one. So just go to IONOS or click the link down below in the description to search for an available domain. Pick something that matches your business name or personal brand. Once you find an available domain, complete the registration process. If your domain is registered with another provider, you can use IONOS for email by pointing your domain's MX records to IONOS. Step 2, select an email package. IONOS offers different email plans, Mail Basic, Mail Business, etc. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Again, we'll have a link for you down in the description to get started with that. Mail Basic is often sufficient for individuals or small businesses, providing a handful of mailboxes, spam filtering, and support. Mail Business includes additional features like collaboration tools and larger storage. After choosing, complete your purchase and log into your IONOS account. Step by step, creating an email address in IONOS. Step 3, access the email control panel. So from IONOS's dashboard, we'll click on the email tile. Now, if you go ahead and click the link down below in the description, you can go ahead and see the different email plans that they have here. So there's Mail Basic 1, Mail Basic 25, and Mail Business. So Mail Basic 1, you get 1 email account and 2 gigabytes. You can expand at any time. For the Mail Basic 25, you get 25 email accounts with 2 gigabytes for storage for each. And this also gives you a free domain, so you can go ahead and set up that custom domain for you. So now once you go ahead and log in, this is what the IONOS dashboard will look like, or something similar to this. And we'll go ahead and click on email right here. So if you have multiple contracts, select the one associated with the domain that you want to create the email address for. You'll see an overview of existing mailboxes and the option to create a new email address. Step 4, create a new email address. Click create email address or add email address. A form appears with several fields. Email address, so enter the desired local part, for example, info, support, or just your name, and use the drop down to select your domain. If you have multiple domains, ensure you choose the correct one. Choose a strong password or let IONOS generate one for you. Confirm the password in the second field. Forwarding. This part's optional, but you can forward this mailbox's emails to another address. Just enter the forwarding address if you want to enable this. Otherwise, leave it blank. Security options. This is also optional, but some plans let you enable virus protection or archiving. Check these boxes if available and desired. After filling out the information, click Save. IONOS will create the mailbox and add it to your list of email addresses. Step 5, repeat for additional mailboxes if needed. So if you want multiple addresses, for example, sales@yourdomain.com, billing@yourdomain.com, etc., then just repeat the creation process. Each mailbox may count against your package's limit, so plan accordingly. You can also create email aliases, addresses that forward to the same inboxes without using extra mailbox slots. Accessing your IONOS email, webmail. The simplest way to access your email is through IONOS webmail. Just go to mail.ionos.com and log in with your full email address and password that you just created. The interface offers very standard email functions: inbox, drafts, send messages, spam, and trash. You can create folders, set up signatures, and adjust display settings. Webmail is convenient because it doesn't require additional setup and works on any device with a browser. Desktop and mobile clients. To access your email via Outlook, Thunderbird, Thunderbird Apple Mail or a smartphone mail app, configure the account with IONOS' server settings. Use these typical settings, which we'll go ahead and put on the screen here. Enter your full email address as the username and your password. When prompted, enable authentication for outgoing mail. IMAP is recommended because it synchronizes your email across devices. POP3 downloads messages and often removes them from the server, which can be problematic if you check email on multiple devices. Configuring calendars and contacts. IONOS supports CalDAV and CardDAV protocols for syncing calendars and contacts. In your client's account settings, add the server addresses provided by IONOS, often carddav.ionos.com and caldav.ionos.com, along with your email address and password. This keeps your calendar and contacts synced across devices. Managing and securing your IONOS email forwarding and aliases. In the IONOS dashboard, you can create email forwards and aliases. A forward sends incoming mail to another address, which is handy if you want to catch all or to forward all mail to your personal address. An alias is an additional address that points to an existing mailbox without creating a separate inbox. Spam and virus protection. IONOS includes spam filtering and virus protection. You can adjust the filter sensitivity or whitelist/blacklist senders. If you notice legitimate messages going to spam, mark them as not spam. For added protection, enable two-factor authentication on your IONOS account. Mailbox management. Monitor your mailbox storage to avoid hitting capacity. Delete or archive old messages regularly. IONOS often provides a mail collector or similar feature to retrieve mail from other accounts, consolidating everything into one inbox. So setting up IONOS email with a custom domain is super simple. Just start by registering or selecting a domain, pick an appropriate email plan based on your needs, and create your mailboxes in the IONOS dashboard. You can access your email via webmail or configure it in desktop and mobile clients using the provided server settings. If your domain is registered elsewhere, make sure to update your MX records to route mail through IONOS. Managing professional email accounts with features like forwarding, aliases, and spam filtering keeps your communication organized and secure. With these steps, you'll have a polished, branded email address ready for business. So if you want to get started with IONOS hosting, domain, or emails, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.